I'm going to make fun of Chicken Little. Hey, stop right there.
Great. What do you want, Max?
Did you know that you only have one movie, a few cameos, and crossover games? Right.
Yes.
I'm angry at Phineas and Ferb because they cancel your TV show. You're going to get in 2006, but no, you should get one. If you tell them, I am going to beat you up.
No 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 no.
Oh no, it's Ruby.
Max, how dare you try to beat up Chicken Little? You know he doesn't do anything wrong. That is it. You are grounded, 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 grounded. Go to your room right now.
No 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 no.